And welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Land Rover Sport 2014 and I'll explain what's happened. So if we just do, when we turn the steering wheel, it's randomly just happened out of nowhere. So that's what we're getting, and in terms of fault code we're getting the B1304. So let me knock the engine off so it's peace and quiet. I've had it jacked up, I've raised the vehicle itself. I've took the underneath tray off to see what's causing it, because it's randomly just happened. So if we get under and if we look at it, this is, no one's done this, I'll be honest. Look at the motor, it's loose. So the thread in there is not solid on the belt turning it, it's loose. These have just come loose out of nowhere. I can't believe it. I really cannot believe what's happened here. So I don't know if the internals of this is damaged. So long story short, it's actually the threads that have gone loose causing it. In your case, it could be the actual motor here that's faulty, and that's your part number if you want to get another one. Common issue, this goes faulty. Very rarely the steering rack itself. And that noise is to do with this here. So what we're going to do, take it out, and I'm going to see what's really causing this. We'll have to retighten it. I think that's the only option. I can actually see there the bolts have actually snapped for some bizarre reason. So yeah, guys, it due to corrosion and whatnot, you can see the bolts have snapped in there. Look at that. So we'll have to drill through it and take it back out, and hopefully that'll cure it. If not, new pump, because it's just a bit of a, the thing is, you don't want to risk it as well, because you can rethread these, but then who knows, it'll all come loose again. So yeah, but that's what's happened on this one. If this is your case, happy days. You know where you stand and whatnot. And I have this kind of, there's 3 wires on there, guys, really easy. Make sure you get the same part number if you do. And it just goes in, and there's the belt. And that's why it wasn't spinning, because it was like hanging out.